welcome to Bike Shift. Today's video covers the all-new 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160, a bike known for reliability, comfort, and smooth performance. In this updated 2026 model, Honda brings several improvements that make the Unicorn even more refined and appealing for daily riders. Let's break down its new features, performance upgrades, and overall riding experience. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160 continues its classic and mature design language but now comes with subtle modern touches. The new LED headlamp gives the bike a sharper front profile, while updated tank shrouds add a muscular look. The body lines remain clean and elegant, preserving the Unicorn's identity as a simple yet premium commuter. The new dual-tone color options and refreshed graphics make it more visually attractive on the road. Powering the 2026 Unicorn is an improved 160 cubic centimeters single-cylinder air-cooled engine designed for smoothness and fuel efficiency. Honda has fine-tuned the engine to deliver better low-end torque, making city rides effortless even in stop-and-go traffic. The refinement level is noticeably enhanced, maintaining the Unicorn's reputation as one of the smoothest bikes in its segment. The bike now comes with eco and power modes, letting riders adjust performance according to riding conditions. The 2026 Unicorn continues to prioritize rider comfort. The long single-piece seat is softer and more supportive, ideal for long-distance commuting. Honda has recalibrated the suspension for improved shock absorption, offering a plush ride across rough roads. The bike's balanced weight distribution, wide handlebars, and stable chassis deliver confident handling, whether maneuvering through traffic or cruising on open roads. Safety has seen a major upgrade in the 2026 model. The bike now offers a single-channel ABS as standard, paired with a larger front disc for sharper braking response. The improved grip from new tubeless tires enhances road stability. Honda has also added an engine cutoff feature for improved safety during sudden stops or emergencies. Honda has introduced subtle but useful technological updates. The 2026 Unicorn includes a semi-digital instrument cluster displaying real-time mileage, battery status, gear indicator, and service alerts. The bike also features Honda's silent start system for smoother ignition. USB charging is now integrated for on-the-go convenience, making the Unicorn more practical for everyday commuters. With its advanced engine tuning, the 2026 Unicorn delivers impressive fuel efficiency, targeting a mileage of 50 to 55 km/L in real-world riding. Honda has positioned this bike as a value-for-money option, making it ideal for office commuters, long-distance riders, and anyone needing a reliable daily bike with low maintenance costs. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160 carries forward the trusted legacy of the Unicorn series while embracing the needs of modern riders. With improved comfort, refined performance, updated safety features, and practical technology, this new model stands out as a dependable and stylish commuter. For riders seeking a smooth, long-lasting, and efficient motorcycle, the new Unicorn remains one of the strongest choices in its segment.